Hello, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a GoPro file from 716 megabytes down to a much smaller file size. This video is 1 minute and 49 seconds long. I'll just show you a quick little snippet of it. Okay, I got all my gear on. We're gonna test this, make sure it's fine. So I'm putting you guys on my head. My head looks like an egg. What we're going to do now is we're going to go, and you guys are going to click the link in the description, which will take you here. And you're going to press download, and then you're going to go through the installer like every other installer you've ever gone through. And then what you're going to do is you're going to launch it, and it will be like this. Once you are in here, you're going to select it, select open, and what I like to do, my head looks like an egg again, is you're going to go to video, and you're going to take the quality. I normally put this at about 32 RF, and also at video encoder, you're going to go to H.265. And now, what you're going to do is you are going to press start encode. This is going to start the encode, and it will take the file size and, I don't know, do things with it and make it very small. I will be back in a little bit. Okay, now that the encode is done, I'm going to show you this. So if you want to put your compressed files in a certain folder, you just have to press browse down here, and then you go to the folder that you want it to be in, my handbrake test, and then you just press save. And that is pretty much it. So now let me show you the difference. Just a reminder, the original file, this is the original, was 716 megabytes. If we now go back in here, this one is 97.5 megabytes. So it took it from 700 to around 100. That's a big difference. So if you were to do that with a much bigger file, imagine what the difference would be. Let me just look at these other ones. This one is only 37 seconds, and it's 253 megabytes. Let's put this one through the encoder and see how we can get that one. See how much we could get that one down. Okay, now that we have this one, let's go back to video, and we're going to do the same thing. 32 RF, H.265. Let's browse and put this one in the test folder and start the encode. This one should be much faster. This one is now done, and that one only took about a minute to do. Now, the original file, just as a reminder, was 37 seconds long and 253 megabytes. The other file, or the new one, 37 seconds, 31 megabytes. See how big of a difference that is with such little drop in quality.
It's only fair if I let you do.
It's magic. It really is just magic. Now, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If you have any tips or tricks for anybody, leave them down in the comments below, or you can join my Discord and put them in there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.